Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. I'm back. I'm back here on my channel, A Little Bit French, to show you a super fast, and I mean super fast. I think I made this in 5 minutes, not even that. And this digital, it's what it is, and I'll make one shortly. What it is just a little folder. Open it up and you could put in there a little journal, booklet, one of my notepads, some book pages, and this could be a Happy Mail or a gift, or you could put them in your shop. I love them. This actually is a digital from a kit. I'll list it below, and it's from Ida Jane, and it's so colorful because I'm, always in the beige. So every now and then I seek out beautiful colors, and this one is from, like I said, from Ida Jane, and it's just a perfect fast pockets, lace pocket folder. That's all it is. It's super fast, super easy, and I'll make one. I might make two. I don't know, because I want to make a lot of these. And I didn't want to get any colorful ribbon because the colors are just so gorgeous, just as they are. So I'll show you how I did it real quick. It's so easy. We're going to put this one over there. Now I also chose, this is also from Ida Jane, and I want to make one with that. And then this one is from Chapter 1. I'll list these kits below. So I kind of wanted to make a neutral one. So this is all I did. You can put your timer on if you want. And I do have a paper cutter, but I don't feel like pulling that out right now. Just taking off the white. Hope I get it all. If not, just take your sponge, put a little bit of stamping ink on it, and you are good to go. Oops. Really fast, not complicated. You know me. I'm the super easy channel. Okay, I love this. If we have time, I'll make one of those. The camera's going right now. So all you do is you fold it over like you do all the other folios. And then you take your bone folder, smooth it out. And then what I did on the one I showed you, I just rounded the corners at the top, so that it wasn't just a big old square. You could round the corners at the bottom, but then I'm gluing the lace trim on there, so I didn't want to do that. Now I found this trim this summer. It's perfect. It's wide. It's antique, or vintage at least. And you just line it up however low you want. Decide if you want it to stick out from the bottom. I kind of do this one. That one I did not. Or on that one, I went this way. I think I'm going to go that way again. And grab my glue. Boom, boom, boom. I just love easy projects. I think I get frustrated and actually kind of bored when I try to make all the complicated ones that I want to make. I just love this kit that this came from. Beautiful, beautiful. Even though it's all in neutrals, it's beautiful. I wish I had help, someone to come in here and cut things out and print things for me, and then I could just produce. I could make. Uh-oh, I'm kind of stuck. So you know what? Get out of my way. And then I'm going to go here. And then press it down. Oop, I went too far again, but that's okay. So this one helps because it has that more thick line at the bottom. Let it dry a bit. Grab your scissors. I'm just going to rough cut for now. We can make it pretty later. Okay. It's pretty dry because it's drying out here. We had a couple days of rain, nights of rain. There we go. It's kind of sticking out. I didn't want that. Okay. And then we're going to go on this side. Get this one. Okay. You still have your timer on, everyone? I'm done. Well, I think I'll add something to the middle here, just to keep it from sneaking over. Yeah, let that dry. Now I don't know what I did with my glue pen. Oh boy, there it is. I was going to say, it's been a while since I've lost one of those pens. You don't want to jinx yourself. Okay, so there you go. You're basically done. Now all you want to do is really let that dry. Because you don't want to put anything in there and have it not be able to pull out. This would fit, but it's a little thick. How about this one? See, I've got a lot of these and I don't know, but I think they would be better in something like this. You don't want anything too thick. And you have to be careful. Oh, perfect. Just perfect. In fact, I even have those little pads that I made, those little notepads. You could put one of those in there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, I felt that one. And so I was looking for thin booklets and I found them, but this one is perfect. So there you have it. Front and back, inside, and then all you really need right now is to tie it up. You could put anything to tie it up. I told you it was fast. Okay. And there you have it. You have a little folder, and it could be a giveaway. It could be your Happy Meal to someone. Super easy. I see them all the time, and I just really needed to mass make these because sometimes when I sell things, I just have this little booklet journal, and by itself, I just felt like it needed something else. And there you have it. Well, there's your little 5-minute folder, and I hope you make one. I'm going to make this one next. I love Ida Jane's beautiful colors, and let me know if you make one. All right? All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.